Mr. Speaker, let me now expound on the policy priorities of the government to promote economic transformation and improve livelihoods for Kenyans. First, let me start with the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. To strengthen economic recovery, the government will accelerate the implementation of policies, programs, projects, and interventions in bottom-up economic transformation agenda. First, enhance agricultural transformation. Second, support micro, small, and medium enterprises. Third, provide affordable housing and settlement. Fourth, achieve universal health care. Fifth, support growth of the digital superhighway and creative economy that will support job creation. Towards actualizing these objectives, actualizing development objectives to the public, the government in March 2024 launched the fourth medium-term plan for the period of 2023-2027. The MTP4, as we call it, translates the better aspirations into concrete priority interventions to be implemented by both levels of government. These are premised on the value chain approach with sectors which will target sectors with the highest impact to drive the economy and sustain economic recovery. The key priority interventions focus on the following value chain. First, leather and leather products, textile and apparel, dairy, the tea industry, light sector, edible oils, the blue economy, and natural resources including mineral and forest, and finally the construction and building materials. The value chain approach ensures rational resource allocation by eliminating wastage of resources occasioned by duplication, overlap, fragmentation, and the ineffective coordination in the implementation of the program and projects, while promoting a whole of government approach to service delivery. To create employment, special focus has been given to investment in special economic zones and county aggregation and industrial parks, diversification of export markets, and market access of goods and services from micro, small, and medium enterprises. Mr. Speaker, the government will also undertake the following targeted strategic interventions to support economic transformation. First, the government will continue to maintain macroeconomic stability to enhance security, to foster a secure and conducive business environment while protecting Kenyans and their properties. Second, the government will scale up development of critical infrastructure in the country such as roads, railway, air, seaports, energy, water, and reduce the cost of doing business and ease movement of people and goods as well as promote competitiveness. Third, the government will enhance investment in key sectors for broad-based sustainable growth by promoting agricultural transformation, growth in manufacturing, environmental conservation, and climate change mitigation, stimulating growth in tourism and sustainable land use. And all this in management will actually refocus ourselves in terms of how we can get moving in these subsectors. Fourth, the government will enhance human capital development through investment in health, education, and appropriate social safety nets for vulnerable groups, vulnerable population, for improved social and economic outcomes. Fifth, the government will support the youth, women, and even persons living with disabilities through government-funded empowerment programs that leverage on partnership with private sector organizations. Sixth, the government will support county governments through transfer of shareable revenues to strengthen their systems and capacity in service delivery. Mr. Speaker, it's important to notice that it is for the first time since the advent of devolution that the county governments are getting shareable revenue, which is surpassing 400 billion shillings. Lastly, implement various policy and legal institutional reforms that will enhance the efficiency of public service delivery. Let me turn